everyone, this is Giulia. This video tutorial will show you all you need to know about the energy-saving features of the Aurelia Wave T3. Let's get started. From the main menu, press the right arrow key to move to page 2. Now, tap the Power Management icon. With the weekly programming, you can set the weekly program for the automatic on-off management. Select the day of the week you want to manage. Click on to activate the programming. Then set the switch on and the switch off time. To complete this task is easy and fast. Just select the right time by using the plus and minus buttons. Now, let's go back to the Power Management menu by pressing the left arrow key on the top of our display. Tap the standby icon. Press the plus button to enable this feature when your machine shuts down. Then, set the boiler pressure in energy-saving mode. To disable it, set the value to off by pressing the minus button. Let's go back to our menu and press the Selection Active Groups icon. As you can see, you can manually manage the groups you need to activate or turn off. The last feature we are going to check is the power reduction. By activating this option, the peak power required to operate the machine will be reduced. We're done for today. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more video tutorials. If you have any additional questions for this video, you can post it in the comment section below. Please follow Nuova Simonelli on social media to keep up to date with the latest news about products and events. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day!